Hey guys, welcome to Shintvchanel, and I'm back with another video.
And it goes a little something like
I am back with another video. Yeah. So guys, today is a makeup haul, a little makeup haul. What should I call it? Amazon makeup haul video today. Because I've been trying to build my beginner's makeup artist kit because I will be starting to be a makeup artist. Yes, and I'm pretty excited about it. Everything I have here is not everything that I will be getting only. It's just some of the things that I have so far, that I bought so far. And yeah. Before we get into this video, don't forget to hit the subscription button if you have not. Hit the notification button beside the subscription button to know whenever I upload. Like this video, comment below, good vibes only, and let's get into it. So guys, I'm gonna be dipping in the bag because it's right here on the floor. So the first thing that I'm gonna take out is these lovely beauty blender sponge that I love so much. These are from the company Beaky Blenders, and guys, this is not my first time trying Beaky Blender. Beaky products or Beaky blender sponge. This is not my first time, so you know, the first time I tried it, they reached out to me and asked me to review their product for them. They sent it to me free of charge, and I reviewed their product on my account as well as some other stuff, their brushes. So you know, I'm building my makeup kit, my beginner's makeup kit. Those sponges that I had before were from my own purpose, so for my own makeup. So I decided to order from them for my beginner's kit, makeup artist kit, right? Because they're very priced and you get a huge amount in them, and then they are amazing quality. They give a flawless blend too. So go check Beaky out because they got the best blenders and they got great brushes. This is a Beaky makeup sponge 10. There's 10 pieces, orange and black. I don't need to open it, to be honest, because you can just see that they're there. And I already reviewed it, so this is just something I got. Yeah, now I'm gonna test it out on LinkedIn and just do it all. I bought this eyeshadow primer makeup set, right? It is from Unis. It's 3 different colors. I thought it was P. Louise. I really thought it was the P. Louise brand, but I think this is the P. Louise brand. Let me open it. I'm not sure, but I think the store sells it from Unis. I will also put all the links of where I bought these things in the description below, so you guys can go ahead and get your products if you want them, because all of what I order is good stuff, you know. Like some of them I've never tried before. Like this one, I've never tried it, but I've seen great reviews on them. So I'm gonna open this one. So as you can see, it's through them. It says eyeshadow primer, long-lasting, waterproof. It says Beaky issue or something like that, some beak issue. Blah blah. They have information. This is the white. This is numbers. These are the white base, and it looks pretty good. Yeah. It is liquid there, and I'm not gonna try to squeeze that out. So let's open the next one, which has no number on it whatsoever. So we'll know which one it is. But let's open it anyway. so excited, guys. Like, I'm building my kit. My kit. I didn't say no word. I'm building my kit slowly but surely. Number 2. It wasn't on the box, it was on the product. Dark. Yeah. But I probably will buy a new one for myself, or just buy the single white if they have the single. But this is the medium, so this is the different. This is dark and medium. I don't see no much difference. I see a little difference, but you know, it's alright. So that's that. Now I have. I was so psyched about this one. I have this is my 24 pieces LA Girl Pro Concealer, right, set. So I think this includes 3 correctors or something like that, and the rest is in concealer. So let's just pop them out of the bottle. Should I put it like this? Yeah, so I can pat them baby. So, ooh, girl, this is how it looks. So this, I'm gonna put them back in the bag because I don't want to get confused. So this is the beautiful bronzer. Yes, this is beautiful bronzer, and I'm not doing a swash today, so don't be expecting me. And this is the Mogami. Yes. And so it's like, let me see how many different shades they come in. And this is the chestnut, the dark. It falls in the dark category too. So that's 3 dark categories, dark shades so far. And this is the dark cocoa. This is the toast. And this is the espresso. I think those are the darkest shades. So I have here with me like 6 darker shades, like the darkest shades is 6. And now I'm gonna go to the medium. Yeah, I'm gonna have to figure out. Yeah, so these are the mediums. So we got Cool Tan. I really love Cool Tan, guys, for my eyebrows and stuff. Then we got Toffee. I've never tried Toffee color. I need to get one of the Fawn and Cool Tan for myself. Then we got Fawn, which is my baby. I love Fawn. Then we got, what else do we have in the darker shade? We got the, with medium shade, I mean. We got almond, the almond. And we got, I think these are like pure beige and stuff like that. And then we got the warm honey. That's warm honey. Then we got medium beige. Then we got here warm sand. Also fall in the medium to brown to fair. And then we got the medium biscuit. And that's around, I don't know, maybe 7 medium shades or 6. Now we're gonna go to the very fierce white. So let's start with this. This is pure beige. This is creamy beige. This is light ivory. This is natural. Sorry, yeah, natural. I thought it was neutral. It's natural. Natural. This is classic ivory. This is nude. Have a little pinkish look. And this is Creme, something like that. So I think this one is the whitest shade in every every makeup. Creme is supposed to be the whitest, I believe, because I see the same name like in the foundations and stuff. Oh crap, I did not show you guys the foundation kit. I'm gonna have to go for that. So these are the correctors. This is the red corrector for dark spots and stuff. The yellow corrector for yellow purple tones. So the red is for dark tones, so like dark spots, as I said. And the green is for red tones. So for like, you know, some people have some red skin, like some part of their skin is like patchy red and stuff. The green is very good to correct that before adding your foundation. So I got this. So this is the RCMA makeup. It is the original no color powder 3 ounce. The main reason I tried this is because I watched so many YouTube videos, like makeup artists YouTube videos, and they said the no color is perfect for everybody. And this brand, RCM makeup original setting powder, is the best for no flashbacks, no change of color. You can use it on anybody's skin and it's all good. It is like the perfection. So I had to get it. It was, should I say it was pricey? When I was buying it, I thought it was pricey because it looks tiny online, but now in person, it's a lot of powder. It's just powder. It's not like you're using like and just throwing it all on your face. It's not like, you know. So I'm like, it is actually for a great price. I think I paid like $20-something or $19-something for it, but it was pricey to me because I'm not a rich chick. So it was yeah, but I took the chance because it is the best so far that I heard. The foundation palette is a very well-known foundation palette. I did so many research, as I said, before I ordered this palette, and almost every makeup artist said order this palette for new beginners makeup, because you don't want to be wasting all thousands of dollars when you're just trying to get clients and stuff like that and build your clientele. When you want many shades, you know, you want to have enough shades as possible on you, but you don't want to spend too much money and have too much products traveling with or whatever be the case. So for a new makeup artist like myself, this is a perfect way to have all the shades necessary on deck and in a tiny or easy to travel with compartment. Did I say that right? Don't call me on that. So anyways, this is the Graftobian Cosmetics. I bought this from Amazon as well, so let me open it and show it to you. It's pretty new. Don't mind the swatch today. I just swatched it on somebody that had a very fair skin complexion, so I wanted to see what would match because I'm gonna do her makeup soon. So this is the makeup, this is the palette, and it might look, it did not come with any brush here, but it might look like it's not a lot of product in it. But let me tell you, when they were saying a little goes a long way, they were not kidding, because I swatched the smallest amount today. let me show you again how tiny the swatch was. This was a swatch. Yes, that's how tiny it is, and it's creamy and nice, not too oily. And let me tell you, the coverage just on the swatch area that it gave her skin was unbelievable. Like, honestly, I'm like, damn, I just watched you on there, like, and you covering up the colors and red patches and everything. And I just washed that baby right here. And that she was covering, and that is the widest, like, she was coverage, okay? So it might look tiny, but I believe when they say a little goes a long way. So I think this is like a medium to full coverage. So you can have it medium and full. I don't think this is a light coverage. I think this is a medium to full coverage makeup, which that's what most people want. Medium. Medium to me is light, and full coverage is full coverage. Like, you can also reorder the little shots. They say the little shades, you can reorder them. So they made sure that they gave you the names and numbers of the palettes of the little cubes, so you can order them on their site. If you should run out of a specific color that you realize that your type of makeup, you know that those type of skin complexions you do the most, so you can reorder it if you're running out on something more than the next. Guys, that's all I have right now to review, and I will definitely be reviewing some more stuff very soon, makeup haul again. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I do hope you enjoy. So see you on the next one.